Good morning, children. This is Aniruddha, MLZS JHANSI. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about cell cycle and cell division, which is the 6th chapter of 11th class biology book. And in this session, we will be talking about different stages of a cell cycle and cell division. Here on your screen, the stages are being shown which we have to read in depth, such as prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase. And ultimately, we will be talking about cytokinesis. And the diagram is being shown on your screen that shows a simple cell division. Why is cell division so important process in an individual's life? Why cell division ensures the continuity of life? Why cell division is important for repairing of the body? And why cell division sometimes ensures the reproduction in certain organisms? So these all things, all facts we will be reading in this chapter, in this particular session. You all know about the cell cycle and cell division. You all must have read in different classes. Today in this particular class, 11th class, we will be talking about the different types of cell divisions and different stages of cell division. Growth and reproduction in all organisms depends on division and enlargement of cells, and this mechanism is known as cell cycle. Cell cycle, it is the life period of cell in which it synthesizes DNA. That means the replication, and grows in size and divides into two daughter cells. Cell growth is a continuous process. Duration of each cell type is 24 hours, but bacteria divides in 30 minutes and yeast divides in 90 minutes. Here are different stages of cell cycle. And remember, I am not talking about cell division. This is only cell cycle. The cell cycle has the first phase that is known as interphase, where there are different phases which you can see on your screen. These we will be talking in a different parts. Such as interphase is also known as resting phase, and in this there are certain stages such as G1 phase, G2 phase, S phase, and then after M phase. The M phase shows the real division of nucleus. Otherwise, all the phases such as G1 phase and G2 phase, they all show only the preparation of the M phase. The M phase is actual phase which leads to the karyokinesis, that means the nucleus division, and cytokinesis, that means the cytoplasm division. And the M phase has so many different stages after the interphase. After one division, the M phase goes into the G0 phase, that means the cell stops its division. There are so many things which regulate the process of cell division. Otherwise, cells may become uncontrolled and they will make a mass of cell which is known as tumor, and that leads to the cancer also in many of the times. Regulation of cell cycle process is done with the enzyme, with the hormones or the complexes cyclin. And the cyclin controls all the processes at different stages of cell cycle. So here we are, and now we will be talking about the first step or the first stage of cell division, that is known as mitosis, the first type of division. Mitosis means also known as equational division because the chromosomal number remains the same as the parent has, and the mitosis generally makes two cells, two daughter cells, and it is found mostly in lower animals and plants. It involves the very simple organization of somatic cells, and it is also known as somatic cell division because it takes place only in somatic cells. It has different stages. Number 1, prophase. Second is metaphase. Third is anaphase, and last one is telophase. And these all phases are known as, they come under karyokinesis. The prophase is the longest phase of mitosis. In this, the chromatin fibers become condensed and they become chromosomes. The nucleolus is attached. The nucleolus is degenerated and other parts of the nucleus also become degenerated. The centromeres divide also in two and they start moving towards two poles. And the moment they start moving towards two poles, they form a fiber-like structure known as astral rays. They are made up of microtubular fibrils, on which ultimately the chromosomes will be attached. And other parts of the nucleus, such as mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, they all are degenerated. The nuclear envelope completely disintegrates and the chromosomes spread and they come into the plate, the middle plate of the cell. Then this stage is known as metaphase. Here you can see the structures on your screen of metaphase. When the chromosomes come at the equatorial plate of the cell, and at this particular time you can see the chromosomes, you can study the chromosomes in a proper manner, because at this time the chromosomes are completely clearly visible. Then the next stage, when the chromosomes start separating from each other and the spindle fiber goes towards two poles, then this is known as anaphase. It is the shortest phase in mitosis. And the spindle fibers contract, and when they contract, the chromosomes also move towards two poles. The last stage is known as telophase. Telophase means the termination phase, in which what happens, the chromosomes reach to one pole and all the parts of the cell start reappearing. The nucleus starts making its nuclear membrane, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, they all come back again. And the last process is this cytokinesis, that means the division of cytoplasm. And now the cells divide into two parts. This is known as the cell division, first type, mitosis. Cytokinesis in animals takes place due to the formation of a cleavage, a furrow, but cytokinesis in plants takes place by making a cell wall between two cells. And then that cell plate divides the cytoplasm and the one cell divides into two cells. This is all about mitosis. Till here, the mitosis increases the number of the cells. It grows the body, it repairs the body, and these are the important and significant features of mitosis. Mitosis, that means mitotic division. And here in this module, we have studied about all those types and the phases of mitosis. And here in one go, you can see all the steps which are involved in mitosis. So this is all about today's session. In the next session, we will be discussing about the meiosis. Thank you very much, children. Have a nice day.